Tired of kitchen chaos? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is about to revolutionize your meals. Imagine effortless gourmet dinners, weeknight wonders, and healthier eating, all from one incredible appliance. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's 9 appliances in one, from slow cooker to yogurt maker, making kitchen clutter a thing of the past. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can cook anything from perfect rice to tender stew with just a touch, even for beginners. Plus, the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures durability and super easy cleanup, a huge win for busy households. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible versatility, combined with foolproof operation, truly simplifying healthy home cooking. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen upgrade for 2025, this Instant Pot model is a game changer. Check out the exact Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon, using the link in my description to see current prices and user reviews. It's an essential investment for anyone serious about making delicious, quick meals without all the fuss, and it's perfect for gifts too. I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. Click that link and transform your kitchen today.